Hey guys, today I am over at Islands of Adventure checking out progress on the new Jurassic Park roller coaster, rumored to be called the Velocicoaster. It will be an Intamin built double launch roller coaster that will be right across the lagoon here. So this is a really nice angle because it shows you how far down they've dug and moved around this dirt. So here those footers in the water are right near the Popeye water intake, which was the main reason for the closure for the past few months. And this is the area where that top hat will be. That'll be the entrance to the top hat. And here's where I believe the launch will exit an indoor section of the ride into that top hat. And finally, we'll just take a quick look from the Popeye area to see if we can get any other angles and see how close we can get to those footers over there.
All right, we'll stay here and look for it.
Is it for me for this quick update. I will keep an eye on what's going on over here, and if anything changes, I'll get back, and I'll see you next time.